I'm pretty sure
Hey guys, this is us.
Yay!
Woo! We're having a fun. We're gonna go hiking, and there's nothing wrong with this at all. And the sun is almost setting, so it's good.
I'm Gandalf.
We're going for a nice walk in the woods. It's gonna be really fun and not dangerous at all, because there's no coyotes or bears or anything, so there's nothing that can eat us at all.
It's gonna be totally awesome.
Yeah, it is gonna be very awesome.
Die at all.
No, we're not. No, we're not.
A magic stick. Even though I've said it like 7 times, guys.
She uses that for her vagina.
My walking stick.
Yeah.
You say inappropriate things to the camera.
I was not saying anything inappropriate to the camera.
Oh.
That's Nick.
Ow.
That's Nick.
I'm Gandalf.
This is Katrina. This is Melissa Keski. She's got a sprained ankle because she's an idiot.
That's how we do.
And I'm Anastasia. I'm the leader, and I tell everyone what to do, and they mostly do it, usually.
She's a Nazi.
And they hail me because they love me. Yes, they do.
We're gonna get mobbed by a puma.
Because I actually was freaking out for no reason, because it wasn't a puma like she had previously stated. It was really just Jake. Say hi. This is Jake. He is totally normal. Except
I'm Gandalf. I got a magic stick. Gandalf. It's the only part of the song I know. Take it to the candy shop. I'll let you try my food. I got a 6-pack like 50. I'm very concerned. I feel like
the woods sound weird today. They sound like there's people in them.
I'm oddly concerned for my safety right now.
Oh, that's weird.
So weird.
I know, there's like a sense of foreboding, because, you know, setting sun, footsteps in the forest.
So nice out today.
Yeah, it is really nice. It's a good day for a hike. It is.
It's a good day. I'm Gandalf. Look at that deer running through the woods. Oh my god. Oh, it was, see that was a nice deer. It was so gazelle-like.
I didn't see the deer. I didn't see the deer. I never get to see the deer. Nobody ever shows me the deer.
Why do you need to see my belly?
Yeah.
I'm ready to bazooka.
Belly's gone wild.
I just wrecked you with my magic stick.
Think about that, guys. It really, you know, Jake's right here.
What is he doing? What is he doing?
I thought that Jake.
What is he doing?
Oh, Nick was taking a leak, and now he's being a freak. Hey, that rhymes. I should be a poet.
What are you?
Okay, what are you doing?
You're like a monkey.
What's wrong with you? Does he have epilepsy?
I don't know. You're creeping me out, man.
What are you doing?
Ah!
Oh my god, run! Run away! Oh my god, for some reason, he's acting like a zombie! Where's Grandma? What's going on? What's going on? Oh my god, he looks like he's devouring her! He's killing the dog. You guys, I don't know what's going on, but it's kids on bikes. We seem to have lost them.
We're being compromised.
Let's hide in the shrubs. Come on, let's go. We're gonna hide in the shrubs. Shh, be quiet.
What do you take out first?
I don't know what's going on. I think that Nick's the slower one. Adam's too. What do we do now? Okay, we'll take Nick out. Okay, let me get a stick. No. My pants are falling down. Did you get it? Okay, sorry about that. Okay, I'm hiding over here behind these bushes. Jake and Melissa over there. You could see them. You can see them over there. Okay. I don't know what's going on. I don't see them anywhere. Oh my god, I think they're coming! Oh my god! Shh, 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 shh. Okay, I think I lost them. But I need to help them. I need to help them. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Hide! I'm hiding! I'm hiding! I'm hiding! I'm hiding! I'm hiding! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh no! Melissa! 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 It's a good thing they can't see me. It's a good thing they can't see me. I'm Gandalf. Okay. Alright. Here. Okay, we're getting away from the zombie. Okay, come on, Jake. Come on, Jake. Let me see. Yeah, it's clear. Come on, hurry up. Come on. No. Ah, hurry up, Jake. Hurry up. No, Jake. Oh my god, I'm the only one left. Oh my god. Okay, let's see. Okay. Oh my god, I don't want to die. I need a stick. Here's a stick.